Is it free for customer, Oracle Guided Learning? The customer needs to pay extra for that?
That's the best news here. That Oracle Guided Learning, the 15 elements which you create, be it on finance, HCM, or RMC, as I was saying, it's free of cost available to every customer. It's up there for the grab.
So a lot of customer is not aware of that, right? So are you planning to do any campaign with Oracle on that to kind of educate customer that they can use guided learning immediately about those 15 areas you mentioned?
Absolutely, and that is a roadmap as well. That Oracle Guided Learning is a no-brainer for any business lead or any transformation head to adopt immediately. And the lack of awareness is what we also feel is that Oracle giving something for free is something which is not very well accepted or something which is not believed well. But Oracle Guided Learning's 15 use cases or 15 features objects which you can get started with, you can immediately get the value of it. So with the campaigns which we are planning to launch alongside Oracle is more focused to create awareness in the market, create the use cases utility, and really show that value what Oracle Guided Learning will bring on the table at no cost.
Cool. I think congratulations on the news that your team now has the highest number of certified consultants in Oracle Guided Learning in a short period of time. So congratulations, a great effort by you and the team. Are you planning to build your own content in Oracle Guided Learning and do some activity with Oracle on that area?
So first of all, kudos to Oracle team also to support us with all the necessary requirements to make sure that our team gets all the required support for the certification, which they're very well done. Largest, we can boast about it that we have more than 20 odd consultants who are completely certified and building on a day-to-day basis new content. So as we speak, the team is already creating a lot of in-house solutions and all the contents which will be imported into OGL solution. And we are also happy to hear from all the customers as we go ahead with our journey to hear more from them. What are the use cases they want? And with the content development also as a key capability of our team, we are more than open to create any new content as well to support Oracle's database as well.
Cool, thank you.